For a lot of us, that is what our bong normally looks like. That's gross. It's very smelly and not appealing at all. Heating this up, and I'm just going ahead and letting that hot water sit at this higher water level so that all of this gets warmed up. Because gooey resin's a lot easier to clean. This bong has been completely warmed up. That resin in there is now kind of gooey. And what I'm going to do is take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I'm showing this, it's kind of thick. Well, there's a reason for it. It's cold. That doesn't mean it isn't effective. Now I'm also going to take the Canamag shuttle, drop that in there. Now I can guide the shuttle from the exterior of the bong. Okay, you got that? So now I can scrub from the interior. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can go over here and grab the resin and grab the shuttle and scrub up through the resin. Now I've been doing that in one specific spot, and you can see that I just scrubbed a line completely through that. It goes very quickly. Once you've distributed it on there, you come back and scrub it all off. Then you go back through it with a little bit of detergent, because that's how we clean everything in our lives is dish detergent. Okay, so that's all done. I am going to use this brush to bend it a little and get right there. You can see that, because that's on a curvy surface, and the magnet has a hard time with curvy surfaces that are shaped that direction. Okay. So that's done. Now we do need to put in some dish detergent, and I'm going to go ahead and go like that. Get this out of the way. And now I'm going to go back through and scrub with the dish detergent. Now the plus about this is you know for a fact that is cleaning. You know for a fact you're physically moving that stuff off. You know for a fact because you're seeing it, and you know that it's dissolving right there in front of your eyes, so it must be doing what it's supposed to be doing. Okay. Now I've gotten through virtually all of this. There might be a spot or two, but you can see how easily it would be just to go back over it. Grab out the shuttle. Rather than doing all that work on the upper level, I'm going to take just a little detergent on there. That's done. Now it's time to rinse it clean. A little bit of the detergent on the exterior and wash that off, because, hey, don't you want a perfectly clean bong? You want it to look brand new. You want it to look perfect. You want there to be no issues whatsoever. And if you're smart, you also want to have it to where it's non-toxic. Okay. Now personally, I think that's pretty good. Let's show you how it sheens off of there. So none of that line there, none of that issue whatsoever. Okay? Now, most of you are thinking, oh yeah, sure, I can just do that with hot water. Well, no, you can't. But the big thing about this is not only the fact that it is working on all types of resin and all surfaces, it's made for cannabis, and it's made to be natural, just like your cannabis. So, being able to take Mile High Cleaner and eat a little, yeah, this is the right way to go.